What's going on, guys? A common question that I hear is, should I do Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA, or should I do Fulfilled by Merchant, FBM? Let's go ahead and get into it. Everybody's answer is going to vary here a little bit. You may even be surprised with what I say. Hi guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Jake Diego, and on this channel I talk about ways that I'm improving my Amazon business so that you can improve yours, as well as some personal development things and some goal setting things so that you can hold me accountable. In this video, I want to talk about FBA versus FBM and what decision you may want to make. Now, ultimately, I think everybody does want to move into FBA. I mean, it's beautiful. Customer order comes in, Amazon pulls it from the warehouse, Amazon ships it to customer. All you have to do is get your load of products to the warehouse. Now, that's beautiful because it's basically like a souped-up eBay. You no longer ship directly to the customer. You don't have to do it on a daily basis. You don't have to worry about that stress because it's already being handled. Now, again, I think everybody wants to get there. It's just a matter of how you get there. Now, from my experience, I started with FBM. And the reason that I started with FBM is video games are really sweet when it comes to merchant fulfilling them for 3 reasons. That's all the bubble mailers you need, guys, to send video games. How beautiful is that? To stick a game in here, pack and slip or no pack and slip, rip this tape off the back, sticker it, shove the postage on, and send it out. And you don't mind seeing video games as your option or something else that fits into 3 bubble mailers of this size, I would definitely do it, guys. Definitely. With something like clothes, you're going to get returns and fulfilled by merchant. That's going to be horrible. If it's a toy, you should be all right. So again, if it's like particularly video games, or my mind's blanking here, but some kind of item that fits into something like this, you're golden. Now, long term, and when you start getting lots of orders and that's not going to be the way to go, and that's why FBA is so attractive. If you're doing books, I would just do FBA. It's just really easy for them to take it out of the warehouse and them to send it off rather than you trying to ship it with media mail, figure out the best way to ship it, and so on and so forth. And pretty much in all other instances, I would do it that way. But if it's video games, I would do it FBM. You're going to snowball your money so much quicker. And cash flow is the name of the game, guys. So if you haven't seen my video on my cash flow issues, definitely check. But in short, guys, unless you can fit that item in a 4x6 bubble mailer, a 6x10 bubble mailer, or an 8.5 by 12 inch bubble mailer, I would do it. If you can't, I would not do it. If it's something like clothing that's prone to returns, I also wouldn't do it. But if you're just starting out and you really want to get your money rolling, FBM is the way to go. If it isn't something that fits into a bubble mailer like that, then FBA is the way to go. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know below. Now, I know some of you may or may not agree with what I'm saying here. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking, and then maybe I can help you out. Thank you for watching.